Think you need to spend hundreds of dollars to get a beautiful belly dance costume? Think again. Today, I'm showing you the best belly dance costumes you can get for under $100, and they look just as stunning as the expensive ones. Hi, I'm with Stagewear Shop, and whether you're a beginner buying your first costume or a professional dancer building your collection, you don't have to break the bank to look amazing on stage. Let's start with what you should look for in an affordable belly dance costume. Quality doesn't always mean expensive. You want good construction, secure embellishments, comfortable fit, and fabric that moves well. These are the non-negotiables, regardless of price. First up, the classic two-piece bra and belt set. This is the foundation of belly dance costuming, and you can find gorgeous options under $100. Look for sets with beading or sequins, adjustable closures, and a matching belt with fringe or coins. What makes a good, affordable bra and belt set? The bra should have a hard cup for support, adjustable straps, and secure hook and eye closures. The belt should have adjustable ties or Velcro, so it fits a range of sizes, and the embellishments should be securely attached. Give them a gentle tug test. You can pair a two-piece set with a skirt you already own, or add an affordable chiffon skirt to complete the look. This gives you maximum versatility for minimal cost. Next option, the hip scarf. This is the most budget-friendly way to add belly dance flair to any outfit. A good quality hip scarf with coins, beads, or fringe typically costs between $15 and $30. You can wear it over leggings, a bodysuit, or a simple dress and instantly look like a belly dancer. Look for hip scarves with secure stitching on the coins or beads. Cheap ones will have coins falling off after one performance. Check the reviews. If people mention durability, that's a good sign. Here's a styling tip. Layer two hip scarves in complementary colors for a more expensive, custom look. A gold scarf layered over a burgundy one, or silver over turquoise. This creates depth and visual interest for under $50 total. Now let's talk about full costumes, bra, belt, and skirt sets. Yes, you can find complete sets under $100, and some of them are absolutely gorgeous. The key is knowing what to look for. Check the fabric content. You want at least 10 to 15% spandex or elastane for stretch and comfort. Pure polyester with no stretch will be uncomfortable and won't move well when you dance. Look at the skirt construction. A good belly dance skirt should have a slit for movement and enough fabric to create beautiful lines when you spin. Skimpy, cheap-looking skirts ruin the whole costume no matter how pretty the bra is. Pay attention to the belt. Some affordable costumes come with flimsy belts that don't sit right on your hips. Look for belts with structure, either boning or multiple layers of fabric that will stay in place when you dance. Here's a budget hack. Buy separates instead of a set. Sometimes you can find a beautiful bra for $40 and a coordinating belt for $30 and mix them with a skirt you already own. This gives you more control over fit and style. Let's talk about colors. If you're on a budget, choose versatile colors that you can mix and match. Black, burgundy, teal, and purple are classic belly dance colors that work for multiple performance styles. You can accessorize them differently to create completely different looks. Avoid costumes that are too trendy or specific. A classic style in a timeless color will serve you for years. A costume covered in neon pink feathers might be fun, but you'll get tired of it quickly and won't be able to use it for different performances. Now, where should you shop for affordable belly dance costumes? Online retailers often have better prices than brick-and-mortar stores because they have lower overhead, but make sure you're buying from reputable sellers with good return policies. Read reviews carefully. Look for comments about sizing, quality of embellishments, and how the costume looks in person versus photos. If multiple people say a costume runs small or the beading falls off, believe them. Check the measurements, not just the size. A medium from one manufacturer might fit completely differently than a medium from another. Always compare your measurements to the size chart provided. Here's something important. Affordable doesn't mean cheap looking. You can find costumes under $100 that look beautifully photographed and look expensive on stage. The secret is in the details. Good color choices, secure embellishments, and proper fit. let's talk about what to avoid. Stay away from costumes with obviously fake-looking rhinestones or beading that looks sparse and cheap. You want embellishments that catch the light and create sparkle, not plastic-looking decorations. Avoid costumes with poor construction. Check the photos carefully. Can you see loose threads, uneven hems, or sloppy stitching? These are red flags that the costume won't hold up to performance. Be wary of costumes that look too good to be true for the price. If a heavily beaded, professional-looking costume is listed for $20, it's probably not going to look like the photo when it arrives. Here's a pro tip. Buy during sales and off-season. Many retailers have sales after major belly dance festivals or at the end of the year. You can score costumes that were originally $150 for under $100. Sign up for email lists from belly dance costume retailers. They often send exclusive discount codes to subscribers. A 20% off code can bring a $120 costume into your budget. Let's talk about building a costume wardrobe on a budget. Instead of buying one expensive costume, buy 2 or 3 affordable ones in different colors. This gives you variety for different performances and moods. Start with one classic costume in a versatile color, maybe burgundy or teal. Then add a dramatic color like black or royal blue. Now you have 3 completely different looks for under $300 total. Here's the truth about expensive versus affordable costumes. From the audience's perspective, they often can't tell the difference. What matters is how you wear it, how it fits, and how confident you feel. A well-fitted, affordable costume worn with confidence will look better than an expensive costume that doesn't fit right. Focus on fit and comfort. An uncomfortable costume will show in your performance. You'll be adjusting it, you won't move freely, and you won't look confident. A comfortable costume that fits well, even if it's affordable, will let you dance your best. Accessorize smartly. A simple costume can look expensive with the right accessories. Add a statement necklace, dramatic earrings, or a beautiful headpiece. These accessories can be used with multiple costumes, making them a smart investment. Don't forget about shoes. You don't need expensive dance shoes when you're starting out. Clean, simple heels in a neutral color work fine. Save the fancy shoes for when you're ready to invest more in your dance wardrobe. Here's my final advice. Buy the best quality you can afford, but don't wait until you can afford the most expensive costume to start performing. Dance is about expression, not expensive costumes. Start with what you can afford and upgrade as you grow. If you're looking for affordable belly dance costumes with quality construction and beautiful designs, check out Stagewear Shop. We offer gorgeous options at every price point, including stunning pieces under $100. Remember, every professional dancer started somewhere. Many of us performed in affordable costumes when we were building our careers. What matters is your passion, your skill, and your confidence, not your price tag. Thanks for watching, and here's to looking amazing without spending a fortune.